I made a boob circle and I'm gonna show it to you. Hey guys, today I want to talk about this. I call it the Boob Circle. Boob Circle was originally a 5x5-inch painting in acrylic on canvas that I made back in 2016. The original painting sold while on display during an exhibition, but I've continued to revisit this motif in my work ever since. While sketching this piece, I loved the idea of a diverse group of women holding each other, literally creating a circle of unity. I think the female body is amazing and beautiful, so to have the women be free and bare-breasted only felt natural. The outline of the piece also came to look almost like an old Celtic symbol in a way, like the old Celtic knots. And that made the piece feel both modern and also ancient at the same time, which I really loved. I went on to make a few prints of the piece like this one, and I'm really stoked with how it came out in print, so I'm planning to create more very soon. I also tested out the motif on a pillow, and this one sits on one of the chairs on our front porch. Because who doesn't want to see a boob circle on their morning walk around the block? I also tested out the design on a tote bag, and I wear this bag pretty much every day. What can I say? I mean, I like this design a lot. The message behind this motif feels more timely right now than ever, and I'm currently working on some brand new pieces featuring this design, which I'm really looking forward to sharing with you guys soon. I'm very excited about that, so keep your eyes peeled on my Instagram or sign up to my newsletter if you want to be the first to know. The links to all that good stuff is in the description below. And that's something I made. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit a thumbs up and leave a comment below, and why not hit subscribe. I'll see you next week. Bye.